Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mel. Today, ang pag-aaralan natin ay constant multiple rule. This is all about the derivative of a constant times a function. Now, paano natin madaling maintindihan ang derivative ng isang constant times a function? Ito lang ang dapat nating kapisaduhin at i-familiarize. The derivative of a constant times a function is equal to the constant times the derivative of the function. Okay, so we have here an example. Magsimula tayo sa letter A. We have the f of x is equal to 7 times x raised to 5. Kukunin natin ang derivative na ito. So, the derivative of the function with respect to x, anong sabi? It says, the derivative of constant times a function is equal to the constant. Ano ba yung constant natin? Ang constant natin ay 7. Next, after that, it says times. Times. So, i-multiply natin siya. Kanino? The derivative, this one, the derivative of the function. Okay? Kukunin natin ang derivative ng function, ng ito, x raised to 5. Ano ang derivative ng x raised to 5? Okay, so mapapansin natin, i-apply natin dito ang power rule. Just check the link in the description below. Okay? So how it works? Sabi sa power rule, the power, which is 5, times the base, raised to the power, which is 5, minus 1. Okay? Simplify lang natin. So, this becomes 7 times 5x. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, it's like that. Okay, multiply natin. 7 times 5, this becomes 35x raised to 4. Then, this would be our final answer. So, the derivative of 7x raised to 5 ay 35x raised to 4. Okay? Okay. Another example naman tayo. Sabi sa ating next example, f of x is equal to 1/4 times the 4th root of x. Okay, i-apply natin yung derivative ng constant. Ang gagawin natin, i-rewrite muna natin ang ating function. So, this can be rewrite this way. Okay. F of x is equal to 1/4. And 4th root of x can be written as x raised to 1/4. Okay. We are need to get the derivative of the function with respect to x. Kunin na natin ang derivative. Ano ang sabi sa ating rule? The derivative of the constant times a function is equal to the constant. Ano ang constant natin? 1/4. 1/4. And, ano sunod? Times. Multiply natin siya. Times what? Derivative of the function. Kukunin natin ang derivative ng function na ito. Okay? So, kunin natin ang kanyang derivative. Power rule yan. I-apply lang natin ang power rule. Anong sabi? The power times the base raised to the power minus 1. Okay? Simplify lang natin. This becomes 1/4 times 1/4 x. 1/4 minus 1 is negative 3/4. Okay? Simplify natin. This becomes 1/16 x raised to negative 3/4, or this can be written as 1/16 x raised to 3/4. Then, this would be our final answer. This would be our final answer. Now, Next naman tayo sa ating next example. So, sa ating next example, we have the f of x is equal to negative square root of 5 times x. So, mapapansin natin, ito ay constant times a function. Kaya i-apply natin ang derivative of a constant times a function na rule. Okay? So, how do we solve this one? Apply lang natin yung rule. Sabi rito, is equal to the constant. Ano ang constant natin? Negative square root of 5 times. Multiply daw natin. Times. Anong sunod? Derivative of a function. Ano ang derivative ng function natin? O anong derivative ng x? Ang derivative ng x natin ay 1. Paano nangyari yun? Di ba ang exponent ng x ay 1? So, pwede siyang kung i-apply natin ang power rule para makita nyo lang kung bakit siya naging 1. So, this becomes the power, which is 1. Pwede na natin isulat, pwede hindi. So, the power times the base. Ano yung base niya? X. Raised to the power. Ano yung power? 1 minus 1. Okay? So, pwede nyong idiretso na lang that the derivative of x is 1. Pero, pinakita ko lang para makita nyo kung bakit naging 1. So, copy ko lang, square root of 5. And x raised to 1 minus 1 ay 0. Okay? Any number or variable raised to 0, the answer is 1. Kaya, this is 1. Simplifying, this becomes negative square root of 5. Then, this would be our final answer. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math videos. Once again, this is Teacher Mel. Just comment below if you have any questions.